Hello there. Today's topic is how to maintain a healthy prostate. For those who may not know, the prostate is a small gland that plays a crucial role in the male reproductive system. It's about the size of a walnut, nestled just below the bladder. Its health is vital for fertility and urinary function, among other things. It's important to keep it in tip-top shape. So, if you're interested in knowing the tips on how to keep your prostate healthy, stay tuned. Let's dive into the risk factors that might affect your prostate health. Now, when we talk about risk factors, it's important to understand that these are elements that increase the likelihood of developing a health issue. They don't guarantee that you will have problems, but they do increase your chances. And when it comes to your prostate, there are a few key factors that can up the ante. Firstly, age. Your prostate is a bit like a fine wine. It changes as it ages. Once you hit the age of 50, your risk of prostate issues starts to increase. By the time you've blown out the candles on your 70th birthday cake, your risk is significantly higher. Secondly, let's talk about family history. If your father or brother had prostate problems, your risk increases. It's not a certain doom, but it's a nudge from your genes saying, hey, you might want to pay attention to this. Next up, obesity. Carrying extra weight around doesn't just put strain on your joints and heart, it also increases your risk of prostate issues. There's a strong link between obesity and more aggressive forms of prostate conditions, so maintaining a healthy weight is crucial. Finally, we have sedentary lifestyle. If you spend most of your day sitting, whether that's at a desk, in front of the TV, or behind the wheel, your prostate isn't going to thank you. Regular physical activity helps to keep your prostate healthy, but we'll get into that more in the next scene. You might be thinking, well, I can't control my age or family history. And you're right. But understanding these risk factors isn't about blame or guilt. It's about awareness. It's about knowing where you stand so that you can take the right steps to protect your prostate. By understanding these risk factors, you can take proactive measures to protect your prostate health. And remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health. So, stay informed, stay proactive, and stay healthy. Now, we'll talk about the role of diet in maintaining a healthy prostate. It's no secret that what we put into our bodies affects our overall health. But did you know that a balanced diet can play a pivotal role in maintaining the health of your prostate? That's right. The foods we choose to consume can either support our prostate health or contribute to its decline. Think of your body as a machine and the food we eat as the fuel. The quality of the fuel you put into the machine will determine how well it runs. With that in mind, let's dive into some specific foods that can serve as high-quality fuel for your prostate. First up, we have tomatoes. These vibrant fruits are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for its potential to support prostate health. Whether you enjoy them fresh, cooked, or in a sauce, make sure to incorporate tomatoes into your diet regularly. Next on our list is broccoli. This green powerhouse is not only full of fiber, but also contains sulforaphane, a plant compound that may have potent protective effects on the prostate. So don't forget to add a generous helping of broccoli to your plate. And last but not least, we have fatty fish. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines can help reduce inflammation in the body, including the prostate. So whether you're a fan of sushi, grilled salmon, or a hearty fish stew, make sure to include fatty fish in your diet. But remember, it's not just about adding these foods to your diet. It's equally important to limit processed foods and those high in saturated fats. A balanced diet is key, and these foods can serve as the cornerstone of a diet that supports your prostate health. Remember, what you eat significantly affects your prostate health. Moving on, let's focus on the importance of regular exercise. Now, you might be thinking, I've heard this before, exercise is good for me, I get it. But did you know that regular physical activity is especially beneficial for maintaining a healthy prostate? Indeed, it's not just about looking good or staying in shape. It's about preserving your health from the inside out. Exercise helps to keep your body functioning at its best. It gets the heart pumping, the muscles working, and the blood flowing. All of these are crucial for your overall well-being, including the health of your prostate. Regular physical activity can reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and even help control weight, all of which are beneficial for prostate health. Now, when we say exercise, we're not necessarily talking about running a marathon or lifting heavy weights. Instead, think of activities that get your body moving and your heart rate up. Walking, for instance, is a fantastic low-impact exercise that's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether it's a brisk stroll around the block or a long walk in the park, every step counts. Jogging is another excellent option. It's a bit more strenuous than walking, but it offers additional cardiovascular benefits. If you're new to jogging, start slow and gradually increase your pace and distance. Remember, the goal is to create a sustainable exercise routine, not to wear yourself out. And let's not forget about swimming. It's a full-body workout that's easy on the joints, making it an ideal choice for individuals of all ages and fitness levels. Plus, the resistance provided by the water can help strengthen your muscles without putting too much strain on your body. The key to reaping the benefits of exercise is consistency. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. It might seem like a lot at first, but once you get into the swing of things, you'll find it becomes a natural part of your lifestyle. In conclusion, a regular exercise routine can go a long way in maintaining your prostate health. So lace up those trainers, dive into that pool, or head out for a stroll. Your prostate will thank you. The next crucial step is regular checkups. Now let's talk about why these are so important when it comes to maintaining a healthy prostate. Regular checkups and screenings are vital in the battle against prostate problems. Why, you ask? Well, it's simple. These routine appointments allow your doctor to keep a close eye on your prostate health and spot any changes at the earliest possible stage. You see, the prostate is a small gland, but it can cause some pretty big problems if not properly monitored. From benign enlargement to infections to the more serious issue of prostate cancer, there are a number of conditions that can affect this tiny part of the male anatomy. Now here's the thing about prostate conditions. Many of them develop slowly and don't present any symptoms until they're quite advanced. That's where regular screenings come in. They can detect these conditions early, sometimes before symptoms even start to show. And when it comes to treatment, the earlier the better. Early detection means that treatment can start sooner, which often leads to better outcomes. If a problem is caught early, there's a greater chance that it can be managed effectively or even cured. In the case of prostate cancer, early detection can literally be a lifesaver. But it's not just about early detection. Regular checkups also allow your doctor to monitor your prostate health over time, keeping track of any changes and adjusting your treatment plan as necessary. This ongoing monitoring is key to maintaining a healthy prostate. So, the message here is clear. Don't skip those checkups. Make them a priority and stick to the schedule your doctor recommends. If something doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to get it checked out. Remember, your doctor is your ally in this journey towards a healthy prostate. Regular checkups can help detect any potential issues early, ensuring your prostate remains healthy. So take this crucial step. Your prostate will thank you. So, we've covered some crucial steps towards maintaining a healthy prostate. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned today. We started by understanding the risk factors that could potentially affect prostate health. It's essential to be aware of these risks, such as age, family history, and lifestyle choices, as they're the first step towards prevention and early detection. Next, we dove into the importance of a healthy diet. Consuming foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can significantly contribute to optimal prostate health. Remember, what you choose to fuel your body with can make a world of difference. Then, we tackled the topic of regular exercise. Physical activity is not just good for your overall health, but specifically beneficial for your prostate. A routine that includes both aerobic and strength training exercises can help in maintaining a healthy prostate. Finally, we discussed the value of regular checkups. Regular screenings and discussions with your healthcare provider can catch any potential issues early, ensuring you stay on top of your health. But remember, these are just guidelines. It's crucial to consult with your healthcare professional to tailor a plan that suits your specific needs and circumstances. Remember, your health is in your hands. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment about your thoughts on this video. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.